Hi guys, now I would like to explain how do you find Taylor series using MATLAB software. Here first let us see what is the MATLAB syntax for this. The MATLAB syntax is TAYLOR is the syntax to find the Taylor series of the function for what you would like to expand, and the function depends on which variable, about which point you are going to expand the Taylor series. For example, the sin x is the function and this sin x would like to expand near the point pi by 2, and as we know that the output is also in terms of a variable, so that means x we define as a symbol. So, for that we use the syntax SYMSX function sin x. Now, the Taylor series expansion syntax is TAYLOR, the function sin x, variable x and the pi by 2. See, this is the syntax in MATLAB, and what we got it. So, this is this output for this x minus pi by 2 whole power 4 by 24 minus x minus pi by 2 whole square by 2 plus 1. If suppose you would like to increase more number of terms, simply give in addition to the main syntax pi by 2. After that you just give up to which order you would like to execute. So, for that this is the syntax order 8. See what is the output for this, x minus pi by 2 whole power 4, here x minus pi by 2 whole power 6 by 720 plus 1. This is one more term. Suppose if you take 10, see what we will get. Is clear? Now it is giving whole power 8 by 8 factorial also. So, this is how we can increase the number of terms using order. If suppose you would like to find Maclaurin series, Maclaurin series means a Taylor series about the point 0. So, that means see, observe here for the same function sin x, Taylor series I will put simply 0. For that we are getting x power 5 by 120 minus x cube by 6 plus x. Even suppose without giving 0 also you can execute. It also means that the Maclaurin series for the function sin x is clear. So, this is the Maclaurin series means you can specify the point with a 0, or if you are not specifying, it will treat as the point is 0 defaultly. Suppose the function you would like the function is in terms of more than one variable. How do you find Taylor series? For example, e power x cos y, where the point is 1 comma pi by 3. 1 related to x and pi by 3 related to y variable. That is why here I took the two symbolic variables x and y, SYMSXY. Now, e power xy. See, e power, we know that exp is the syntax for exp of x into cos y. The syntax for this TAYLOR, the function. Now, here we need to specify the two variables, and we should give the order what is the first and what is the second one. That is why we should put in square bracket, that is in square bracket x comma y variables. Now, the point 1 which is related to x. and pi by 3 which is related to y. And here I would like to specify the order also. I would like to execute this up to the third degree. Now let us see what we will get after executing this. So this is the solution, we got it. E is nothing but e power 1 because x is 1, and see here what we are getting this. So this is. So this is the friends how you would like to find Taylor series in MATLAB for various for more than one variable or at different points. Thank you.